Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have seen lots of dramas in this house during my time. It seems like whenever whoever sits in the cabinet chair, it seems like they get enchanted. They forget what they need to do. But when you are out of chair, you see all the illegalities vividly, clearly. It's like that.
So, come to the supplementary question, please.
My question is that I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for bringing up the stringent law or steps. I am very much happy, and then I think I have to start hunting for illegal coal-laden trucks. Now, I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, when he was answering, he has mentioned about the 5,000 reward for the illegal trucks. Whether that 5,000 illegal trucks is only for one truck or for many trucks. If it is for one truck, I'll start hunting from tomorrow, I think so. Because it will give me lots of income, you know. So I would like to know whether that 5,000 is only for one truck, or if I get 100 trucks, it will be divided. So I mean, it will be, multiplied. So I want to know whether that 5,000 is for one truck or for the whole truck. I don't know.
Maybe for 1 ton.
Sir, the reward is for the information that is given to us. So every time the information is given, that's when it's. So he can give information 10 times, or maybe that would be fine also.